because all are just the Excel files are okay. This one no software here. But for stuff too, okay, you may not you no need to download all these things, guys. Okay, please wait. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, so I will tell you when you need to download stuff too. But at this moment, you download complete stuff one. Okay, complete stuff one.
By the way, sir, it was not virus. We can turn off our, this antivirus and we can download it.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Even software was very helpful. We need not to search here and there for software.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, how can I empty bin, right? Yeah. Okay, super. Okay. So I guess, yeah, okay, what are the documents I have given? Okay, those are more than enough, okay, for your practice. More than enough. Okay. Okay, so fine. So apart from that, any questions, guys? Apart from that? So yesterday we installed Linux OS.
Hey Ben,
Yes,
I was
yes.
when I was trying to set it up. What do you call the second network adapter? I'm not able to get it connected.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Yeah, sure. Let me.
Yeah.
It's saying I cannot share the screen while the other participant is sharing.
Okay, now you try.
Share screen.
Now you can share your screen.
Yeah.
Yes,
Can you be able to
yes,
see?
yes. Okay, Sarak, you know what is the problem here? You know what is the problem? Okay, you have not enabled the second adapter while during the installation.
Yeah, so when I was trying to do that, it says connecting, right? And it takes like
Okay, so don't
30
worry.
to 45 seconds, and it's saying not able to connect.
Okay, so
Yeah.
here you go. Okay. Can you minimize this one?
Yeah, sure. Just give me a second.
It's not looking for me. I don't know somehow. Okay. So where's the virtual box? This is the virtual box, right? Okay, right click. Okay, so here, okay, yes, okay, you already taken virtual adapter. Okay, fine. Okay, so now you go to the VM. Click on the VM, sir.
Yeah, you want me to like start?
Yes, yes. No. Just okay. Open it. Open the window. I'm unable to open it actually.
Okay,
No, just okay. We minimize that window, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes. I can't type anything here, sir. I don't know why. Can you type NMTUI?
What do you want me to do?
NMTUI.
DUI.
No, TUI. T for
TUI.
Yes. Enter. Okay. Activate a connection. Yes. APG reset. Click.
Yep.
And at the same time, can you show me this one also? What is it? Can you go there? Go to virtual box, virtual box.
Yep.
Okay, and click on file preferences. No, file host network manager. No, not this. Host network manager. Okay, so 56. Okay, so all are good. Okay, so close it. Go back.
I was trying to check online. It says I don't know. Some people are saying it's you have to.
Base network connection was interrupted. Okay. Sir, have you restarted your machine after installing this virtual box?
Yeah. I tried to restart
back.
before trying to.
So just tab, do tab and come click on back. Okay, edit a connection, go. NPS 8, yes. Edit. Automatically connect. Come down, tab, give tab. Give space here, there, space. Then it will connect. Okay, so click on OK. Okay, click on back. Click on OK. Okay, back. Now back. Okay, click on OK. No, okay. Quit. Okay, again, okay. NMT UI. Okay. Activate connection. Activated, already activated.
Yeah.
Yes. Good. Okay. Now you see NMCL ready.
Awesome. Okay, it's saying connected.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, but okay. Yes, right. Okay.
Yeah.
It is not in disconnected mode, at least.
Yeah.
It will come, not a problem. Okay, but now what you need to do, you need to make the next changes actually. Okay.
Okay.
So fine. Okay.
May I know what happened here, sir? I mean, if you don't mind.
That's what, okay. You forgot to enable the second adapter during the installation.
No, I tried to, but it was just taking time and it was saying disconnected. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
I tried to do it 4 times and then I also deinstalled the VirtualBox and install it once again, and I tried to set up, change names and do all the stuff, but it was still the same. But anyways, thank you. Yeah, it's working.
Okay. Yeah. Fine. Okay. So guys, okay, any other started your practicals and facing issues? So because if you are face to face, okay, then okay, I can solve your issue. Okay, you can bring your laptop to class and okay, I can solve your issues. Okay, but okay, we are we are having these classes remotely, like online classes. Okay, so if you're stuck in some place, okay, you need some help from me. Okay, and okay. So guys, okay, let me share my screen. Okay. Okay. Guys, okay. If you see my working model, normally, okay, so wake up by 6:15. Okay, and okay, 7 o'clock, get ready, and okay, 7 o'clock I start the class, and okay, the class will go till 9 o'clock. Okay, so again, okay, maximum 10 a.m. Okay, I will log into office. Log into my work. Okay. So if I start my day at 10 o'clock, okay, I will close my day at 8:30. Understand? Okay, this is the close of the day. Day closure. Okay. In between 10 a.m. and 8:30 p.m., if I get a half an hour or 1 hour to have my lunch, I'm the luckiest fellow on that day. You got my point? Okay. So I will be having continuous meetings. Okay. So it is like a continuous meetings. If you see my outlook, okay, I will go mad. Okay. So that's my work. Of course, my position is like a little bit big position, okay, in my company. Okay. So because of that, okay, I'll be having continuous calls. Okay. So even if you ping me during this time, I may not be able to help you many times. If I'm in a meeting where okay, my presence is not much required there, okay, but I'm just attending there, then okay, I may reply you, okay, over WhatsApp, or okay, I may attend your call. Okay. Otherwise, okay, so picking my phone, okay, during this time is very, very difficult. Very, very difficult. Okay. So now, okay, so you may ask me a question, sir. Okay, so we are learning course from you, and okay, we have some doubts. How can I get clarity on those doubts actually? Okay, so what we will do? Okay, normally, okay, so this is the start of the class, right? Start of the class. This is end of the class. Okay, and if you see here, okay, so today almost okay, we spent okay 10 minutes. Almost we spent 10 minutes okay to solve the issues. Okay, definitely. Okay, since you started the practicals now, okay, definitely there are high chances that you will get some doubts. High chances you will get doubts. I have seen situations like where I spent okay more than an hour also on doubts clearing. Okay, So what we will do from tomorrow? Okay. What we will do from tomorrow? Okay. Let us start our class by 6:50 a.m. 6:50 a.m. to 7 a.m. will be the doubt session. Notes, huh? Huh? Doubts and practicals. Okay, so practicals. 6:50 a.m. to 7 a.m. We'll log in from tomorrow onwards. I will log in by 6:50 a.m. Okay, and okay, so this is my regular class, 7 to 9. Okay, regular class, because okay, see, if 1 or 2 people are having issues, okay, it is not good, okay, to make, okay, remaining 50 plus people to wait. Okay, make them wait. Okay, so that's the reason. Okay, what we will do, okay, let's start our class by 6:50 from tomorrow morning. So if anybody has doubts, okay, during this time, I mean, okay, anybody has doubts, okay, so they can connect with me during this time. If you feel, okay, you need more time, or this 10 minutes is not sufficient, okay, you ping me in WhatsApp, okay, I will log in bit early also. I will log in by 6:40 or 6:30 also. Okay, and this is the session, okay, this is the session we will be using to clear the doubts. Okay, but initially you will have a lot of doubts, but okay, once you go on, okay, you may not be having much doubts. Okay, but still this extra 10 minutes, okay, I will keep till end of our training. Okay, so if you don't ask any questions in this 10 minutes time, okay, I will use this 10 minutes time for my regular class. Okay, so because, okay, see, my intention here is, see, I'm giving daily 10 minutes. It means, okay, for next 2 months, okay, next 2 months or 2 months, 5 days, okay, so it means 65 days. If I give 10 minutes, okay, 65 days into 10 minutes extra, okay, it means I'm giving you than my promised time, okay, I'm giving you extra 650 minutes. 650 minutes is almost, okay, by 60 if I take, it means almost, okay, 11 hours time. 11 hours time, okay, I'm giving extra. 11 hours means, okay, it is like, okay, like extra 5 days course. It's an extra 5.5 days course. Yes or no? See, I'm promising you that I'll give you only 2 hours per day, and okay, and 2.5 months, 2.5 months course. Okay, but here 2.5 months means 2 months plus 15, okay, 75 days. Okay, but here, okay, with the help of this extra 10 minutes, if you count also, so you will get, okay, days. Okay, so now you will get a total post duration as 80 days, not 70 days. Okay, so definitely I'm giving you more than than I promised. Okay, so let's utilize this time well from tomorrow. Okay, so from tomorrow the classes will start by 6:50 a.m. Okay, the first 10 minutes will be spent for doubts on the practicals. Okay, so you can share your screen. Okay, so if you have any doubts, okay, in the practicals and all, okay, keep ready with your laptop or be ready with your laptop. Okay, so once, okay, our session, once you log in, then you can share your screen. So you can share your screen, like how Santosh shared his screen today. Okay, in the same way you can share your screen, and okay, I will help you. I can take control of your screen, and I can help you. Okay, I can solve your issues. Yeah. Or if you, okay, so this is not the correct time for you to contact me on the doubts part. Okay, you call me after 8:30 p.m. After 8:30 p.m. Okay, so don't try to call me, okay, during this time, sir. Please, okay, so don't feel bad, okay, but don't pick your calls also, because that's my situation. Clear? Or any questions? It is clear. So from tomorrow,
Yes, sir.
class will start by 6:50, not 7 o'clock. Yeah. Okay, guys. So what we have done yesterday?
Hey, వెంకట్,
Yes,
అది
yes, yes.
ప్రాబ్లం ఇంకా డిస్కనెక్టెడ్ అని వస్తుంది. అది వచ్చే టైం డిస్కనెక్టెడ్ అని వస్తుంది. తర్వాత చూద్దాం
తర్వాత చూద్దాం సార్, అట్లయితే. ఓకే, మేబీ ఆఫ్టర్ క్లాస్ చూద్దాం.
ఓకే.
Okay, yeah. Okay. So yesterday we started the virtual machine, right? Okay. So now, Okay, so this is the base machine which we created. Okay, so at the end, okay, we installed the OS also. Okay, now I'm going to start this the base machine. You can put any name, guys. Okay, it's not only base machine and all. You can put any name. Okay, so this is how it's starting, guys. This is how it's starting. So, guys, so how many of you know Linux here? I'm sure, okay, not many people. Okay, if everybody knows Linux, okay, then okay, my life will be easy. I can easily go to next concepts. But okay, I'm sure there are many.
I have taken Linux, Linux and Red Hat and.
Okay, good, sir. Very good. Okay, so, but definitely there will be many people who are not okay familiar with Linux part actually. Okay, but however, okay, so we will see what is this Linux. Okay, what is this OS? How to work on this OS? Okay, all these things we will see. Okay. So okay, we started the VM. Normally, you take the Windows machine. Yes, if you take the Windows machine. Okay. Windows machine. Okay. When you switch on your Windows machine, what will happen is Windows machine. When you switch on your Windows machine, okay. Normally you'll get a startup screen like this. Okay. So now, okay, this is how you will get the screen. Will you agree with me? Okay, maybe your name will come here. Okay, so it will ask you okay, to enter your username and password and press enter. Correct or not? Okay.
Yes.
So you are getting the screen because okay, Windows is completely GUI based OS. Okay, it means okay, graphical user interface based OS actually. Okay. So but okay, is Linux also GUI based OS? Yes. Is Linux also GUI mode? Okay, yes, sir. Linux also comes with GUI mode. Okay, Linux will come with a GUI mode and a command line mode actually. Okay, but okay, in real time we will not be using GUI mode of Linux. We will be using only command line mode of Linux actually. Okay, so that is the reason. Okay. So like Windows, okay, so how you are getting startup screen, okay, in Windows, okay, you will get, okay, GUI, and you will get the startup, okay, login screen. When you will enter your username, okay, you will enter your password, okay, press enter, when you press enter, it will show you desktop, okay, the first screen, okay, you see, okay, is that what? The first screen you see when you log in after entering your user ID password is your desktop, yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So, in the same way, when it comes to Linux, okay. So now let us talk about Linux. Okay. In Linux, okay, you have again, okay. So in Linux, we have GUI-based Linux, okay, GUI-based Linux, and okay, command line-based Linux, command line. Okay. So in case of GUI-based Linux, okay, of course, okay, it will happen the same. Okay. So okay, you will get the login screen. You will get the login screen and you will enter your username and password and you will see the desktop. This is the GUI mode of Linux. Okay, but we are not going to use GUI mode of Linux here, right? Okay, we are not going to use GUI mode of Linux here. Okay, so what we are going to use now? Okay, we are going to use only command line mode of Linux actually. Okay, so in command line mode of Linux, so you will not have any GUI here. Okay, everything is command line. Okay, now you see, okay, you started this VM. Okay, now it is asking slave login. Okay, so it means it is asking the username. Okay, you remember yesterday we had one user, root user. Okay, I didn't talk about that root user. Okay, now I will talk about it. Okay, so I have a user called root. Okay, so it means okay, I'm entering my username. To log into this machine, I'm entering the username. Entered username. Okay. Password I have given welcome one.
Welcome.
You know. Okay. So this is how I will log into my machine. Now I logged into this Linux machine now. Understand? So like Windows, okay, you will not be having any GUI, okay, login screen and all. Okay, everything is command here. Okay. you need to enter, you need to type the command, and then only your things will work. Understand? Okay. In Windows, okay, if you want to copy a file from one directory to other directory, okay, so what you will do? You will say Control C and you will do Control V. But okay, that Control C, Control V will not work here. Okay, you will have to type a command to copy a file from one location to other location. Or to delete a file, you will say Shift Delete, or direct delete button, or Shift Delete button. Okay, but okay, in case of Linux, it is not the case. You need to use some commands to delete a file. Okay. So if you want to see the properties of a file, okay, you will right click on this and you will click on properties in Windows. But okay, here Linux, you should use some command to see the properties of the file. Okay, everything will work in the same way, but only the difference is that there, okay, you have UI based. Okay, and okay, it is very easy to use also Windows, but okay, Linux is not so easy to use. Okay, so until unless you know the commands, okay, you cannot use Linux. Okay, that's the reason. Okay, hacking in Linux is very, very less. I would say it is almost nil. Only the people who are very good at commands and all, okay, only can try to hack these Linux servers. But Windows, anybody can hack. Okay, so fine. Okay, so here, okay, you are seeing the first desktop here. So here also no login screen, no login screen. But here you will enter, okay, first, okay, you will enter your, but you will enter your username and password, okay, but it will take, so no desktop also here, okay, no desktop also. Are you seeing any desktop here? No, it is just saying that, okay, it is giving you the next line to enter your command. Understand? Okay, so fine now, okay, so you logged in, so now, okay. Okay, remember this yesterday's this one. Okay, so 1, 2.
Sir, excuse me.
Sir.
Login ID password is same for all.
Sir, okay, I will tell you, sir. So yesterday I have given welcome one. Okay, you also give welcome one only. Okay, sir. Okay, I will add one more step here, sir. Okay, I will add one more step here. Okay, so download Notepad++. This is one more step which is required, sir.
There are a lot of versions now. Which version we how do we know that which version we need to download?
Okay, download it, not also. Okay. Latest version, sir. Okay, so this one, okay. Download the latest version of Notepad++ and install it in your version of Notepad++ and install in your laptop. Okay, so this is the location where you can download your Notepad++. Okay, so here you can Okay. Fine. Okay. So this is one more step. What we need to do. This is one step. Okay. So 1, 2. So this is the third step there. Okay. Third step is install. Creating your virtual machine. We created a virtual machine yesterday. The fourth step is install CentOS. Install CentOS 7 and basic setup. Do basic setup. Okay. So now this is what we have seen. Basically, we installed CentOS using these screens. Okay. So we have selected all these things. Okay. Sir, okay, you might have forgot this one. Okay, you selected only one. Santosh sir. Okay, you should select the second one also and click on OK. Okay. Maybe that's one you have missed. Okay, so fine. Okay. So at the end, okay, so here, okay, you need to set the root password here. Okay, so it asks for root password, right? Is not set. Okay, if you click on this root password, okay, there okay, I have given. Okay, so I have given welcome one. Okay, so where did I put this one? So click on root password. Password. Okay, root. Done. Okay, so in my case, my root password is welcome one. Understand? Okay. So this is in my case. Okay, so what is the password I set here? So I given the welcome one as the password. Okay. So once this is done, okay, so then okay, reboot your system. Okay, reboot your system means okay, reboot the virtual machine. Okay, now once you reboot, it will ask you to enter, okay, to log in here. Okay, this is how it asked, right? Okay, it asked you to enter the root and given the username as root and password as welcome one. Okay, sir, in last batch, okay, there was a big issue where okay, 3-4 people faced actually. Okay, they are typing password and they are not seeing anything typed there. Understand, guys? They are typing the password. Okay, so here now you type the root, it is working. Okay, but when you type password, okay, so I am typing welcome one. Is it typing there?
No.
No, sir.
Will not be shown there, sir. Okay, and you cannot see the dot also. Okay, in Linux. You type your password and press enter, automatically it will work. Okay, and if you don't type, okay, if you don't type password, or if you type okay wrong password, you know what will happen? It will show you login in correct. Understood? Okay. So passwords will not be shown. Okay, so some of the students, okay, because they are very new to Linux, okay, they were thinking that sir, we are typing and it is not showing anything. Yes, okay, from their side, there nothing wrong because I didn't explain them that okay, if you type password in Linux command line, it will not show even dot also. But at least in Windows, it will show star, right? In Windows when you are typing password, but here it will not show even that also. Okay, so fine. Okay, so now you log into your machine. We created one user. Okay, root password. Click on root password. Okay, and set the password. Okay, who is this root guys? Who is this root? Who is this root?
Administrator, sir.
Name node.
Name node.
Administrators.
No, sir, administrator user, sir.
What do you mean of administrator?
He has full rights.
What do you mean of full rights?
Like installation, removal.
Okay. So, okay, one question. Okay, so let us take your office laptops. Okay, can you install any softwares in your office laptop just like that? But in case of our personal laptop, whatever software, even it is a some virus also, okay, we can install in our office, in our personal laptop, because okay, we have full rights on our personal laptop. But okay, is it the same case in office laptop also? In office laptop, okay, you cannot install anything because you need to have permissions or rights to install some softwares in office laptop. Okay, so here, okay, so when you install Windows, okay, do you have any user with full permissions created automatically? In Windows also, if you install Windows, do you have any user created automatically?
No.
At least there should be one user, right, to log in initially.
We need to define, sir. We need to define during installation.
Okay, so if you don't define also, yes, okay, you will be defining the username, okay, and first username and password on Windows. But however, okay, it is not there also, you will have administrator by default user which is created. Okay, so he is the guy who will have full permissions on your Windows. Okay, but you cannot, okay, this guy may not be having password and all actually, but okay, this is the default user. Okay, the same way when it comes to Linux, okay, we have a root user, which is the first user. Okay, first user which is created in Linux. Okay, and this guy has the full permission on your system. Okay, what do you mean a full permission? So with the help of root user, you can, if you know the root user ID and password, you can log in with username with the root user and root password, and okay, you can install any software, you can uninstall any software, or you can delete any file, or you can create, you can modify anything. So you are like, you have full permissions to do anything on this system. Understand? Okay. So now you created a user here. This is the user, okay, the first user. Okay. So this is the first user. Okay. But okay, can I create a user with a group? Do you have any member in your office without a team? You got my point, guys?
Yes.
Suppose, okay, if you are you are working in TCS, sir, okay, you will be working under a team, right? Okay, you will not belong to any team. Definitely, you belong to some team, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may be individual contributor, okay, you may be a single person in the team also, but okay, you will have, okay, suppose, okay, if somebody come and ask, okay, so some manager come and ask which project you belongs to, okay, you should tell that, right? Or will you tell that I don't have any project in TCS? Will you say that? No. Okay. So every person, okay, okay, will have, okay, or every employee, like every employee, how every employee is having a project name in the same way, every user in Linux, okay, should be under one group actually. This is the first user, root, okay, and we have first group. The group name also root only. Understand this? Okay. So this is the first user and this is the first group, okay, which are created automatically. Okay. First user, first group, okay, will be created automatically. Okay. So group means, okay, so it means, okay, this is the group here. This is the first user. Okay. So it means, okay, so I have a root group, under root group, okay, I have user called a root user. This is the group. These are the users. Okay. Understand? These are the first group and first users actually. Okay. This is the first group and first user created. Okay. So for each user, you will have password. Users will have password, okay, not groups. Okay. So this is the group, and okay, under this group, okay, we have first user of your root, and the password is welcome one. Are you clear? Till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you install OS, okay, for the first time, okay, you will have only this information. Okay, root and welcome normally. Okay, root and root and okay, the password, okay, whatever you set during the installation. Okay. So now using this user ID and password, I will log into my Linux machine. Okay. So now it is showing me this prompt. The root@slave. Okay. So what is this root@slave is normally? It is showing like so. After login, it is showing like this. It is showing that. Okay. So root@slave.
User root being connected to
Slave is a host name, sir.
server name.
So this is the prompt it is showing. Okay, this is the prompt it is showing. Right or not? Okay. So what do you mean of this prompt actually? Okay, what do you mean of this prompt? So it means okay. So root is the username here. Root is the username. Okay. Slave is the
Host
machine name. Machine or host name. Host name. Machine name or host name. Okay. So then okay. So what is this one? Okay. So starting point of. Okay.
So basically home directory, right, sir?
Okay. Starting point of root. It is like a home directory. Okay. What do you mean of home directory here? Yes. Starting point means when I log into this Windows, what is my starting point? Desktop. Yes or no?
My user directory.
Yeah. No. This my desktop is my starting point. After entering your username and password, what you will see first screen? Desktop only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the same way, okay, in Linux also, when you enter username and password, okay, so you will see the first screen, okay, which is nothing but okay. So here, okay, you will enter username and password, okay, you will see the first screen. Okay, so user here, okay, so let's say Venkata password, okay. So some password I have given, okay, like this. This is my password, okay. What is my starting point here? Desktop. In the same way, here also I am using, okay, so username as root as username. Okay, slave means okay, host name or machine name. Okay, virtual machine name. Machine means it means virtual machine also. So this is the starting point of this user. Starting point of.
Sir, in Windows also there is a desktop under our home directory itself, right?
Exactly, sir. Okay. So when I said desktop, okay. So what is this? What is the path of this desktop on hard disk? What is the path of this desktop? Okay, this is the path actually. Properties. Okay, so here, okay, see users Venkata Narasimha /OneDrive/desktop. Okay, this is the path. Your desktop also, this is the path. Understand? Okay. So, any questions till now, guys? And okay, here, okay, so if you see hash means okay, you have full rights. Okay. And at times you can see dollar also. It means okay, you are
Normal user.
full administrator. Okay, normal user. What is the difference between normal user and administrator? Normal user means
Normal
you
user
cannot,
will access the machine.
you cannot install any software inside the Linux machine. Okay, full administrator is the one who will install softwares, who can install softwares on this machine. Okay, so understand. Okay, so this is the meaning of your prompt, guys. After login, you will see this one, but okay, here after login, okay, you will see the desktop and all. You will see the desktop. Okay. Guys, okay. I am not targeting people who know already Linux. Okay. People who already know Linux, they may feel, boring this session. But okay, I am targeting people who doesn't know anything or who don't know anything. Okay. So please cooperate. Okay.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Sir, please.
Sir, is the alternate name for root user is super user?
Super user. Okay, so super user means okay, so we have some super privileges. kind of, okay, you can say super user also. So what do you mean super user? What do you mean super user? With special permissions, okay. What are the special permissions? You can install, uninstall, delete, okay, create. You can do anything actually, modify anything. Okay. So now what next? Okay, now you logged into your virtual machine using user ID and password. Okay, what next now? Okay. Now before proceed to next step, make sure okay, your Windows machine, okay, laptop is connected to laptop or desktop. Okay. You connect to the internet using Wi-Fi or LAN cable. Okay. So please make sure before starting the practicals, please make sure okay, you have internet connection to your laptop. Okay. So if you don't have internet connections, few things will not work. At least okay, to create the first VM, we need internet connection. Okay. And execute below command to see the IP addresses that are allocated for VM. Okay. To see the status of both adapters. How many adapters we have given, guys? 2 adapters we have given. Correct. Okay. So if you want to see the status of this adapter, okay. So this is the command I need to execute. Okay. Control C and okay onto this machine and Control V. Is Control V working here?
No, sir.
So what does it mean? It is like you are doing Control C in Windows machine and okay Control V in Linux machine. Can you do Control C in your machine and okay, can you do Control in your friend machine? No, right? So that see, even though this virtual machine is running on this machine, but Windows machine is separate, Linux machine is separate. Okay. That's the reason if you do Control C there, it will not work here. Control V will not work here. Understand? Okay. So you need to type it here. Okay, what is the command to type here? nmcli space d. nmcli space d. Okay. So when I run this command, okay, so what this command is doing? Okay, it is showing me a status like okay, enp0s3, okay, connected, but enp0s8 disconnected. Okay, so that is fine. Even it is showing like disconnected also, not a problem. Okay, because okay, your Ethernet adapter may not be okay, or your okay. So it is disconnected also, not a problem, guys. Don't worry. Okay. So now what I will do? PLP0S3 or S8 state is disconnected. Okay. Please bring up the adapters. Bring up that adapter. How to bring up that adapter? Okay. So here IF up. Okay. If of ENP0. Sorry. IF up ENP0 yes NP0 S8. Okay, and guys, okay, connection successfully activated. Okay, so and one more thing, guys. Okay, so Linux is case sensitive. Okay, so you cannot give anything. Okay, so it is case sensitive. You should give the correct case only. Okay. Now you see nmclid. What is the status here? Connected only. Now both are connected. Okay. What next? Okay. So here nmclid. Okay, the status should be like below, connected and connected. Okay. So now okay, let us see the IP address of your machine. Okay. What do you mean of IP address, guys? What do you mean of IP address?
Sir, internet protocol address. I mean, with the IP you can connect from one machine to other machine.
Okay. So, like how every person is having a mobile number. Okay. Mobile number. Okay. Every server or every laptop or every virtual machine will have one number to connect or to contact. Okay. See, you will have your mobile number. Okay, what is the use of that mobile number? Okay, any people who knows your mobile number, they can call you directly. Correct? They can call you directly. Okay. But okay, here what to say? In case of machines, Linux machines and all, okay. So you should understand. Okay, every Linux machine will have an IP address. Using that IP address, you can connect to that machine. Okay. So now, how to see the IP address of your machine? Okay, the command is IP-addr space show. Okay, IP-addr show. Okay. So here, okay, can you see this one? Okay, if you see this one, okay, you have, okay, you are seeing, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me share the print screen. Take the print screen. I'll put it in Paint actually. Paint. Put it here. I'll take the output of this one. Okay, I got it. Okay, so this is the output. Yes, this is the output now. Okay, now if you see here, okay, 1. Okay, so here you have adapter 1. Okay, here you have adapter 2, and here you have adapter 3. Okay, you have adapter 3. Okay. All adapters will have. Okay. What is the first adapter is LO. Okay, so which is loop back. Okay, so every machine will have this loop back address, loop back IP address. Okay, which will be used only inside the machine. Okay, so you cannot use this machine. Okay, you cannot use this number outside actually. Okay, so you cannot connect to this machine from outside. Okay, so this is internal IP address. Okay, so there is no use of external IP address for us now. Okay, so what next? Okay, there is a second adapter which is called as ENP0S3. What is this ENP0S3? Okay, so this is the second adapter. Okay, so okay, first adapter will be there internally. Okay, the second one is nothing but the adapter which you have taken here. Okay, so here settings, network adapter. So what is the adapter you have taken? NAT. Okay, that is the second one. Okay, and you have something called ENP0S8. What is this ENP0S8? Okay, this is the third one. It is showing third adapter here, but as per VM, okay, this is the adapter 2. Okay, adapter 2. Okay, so now for the first adapter, so I told you that every adapter will have an IP address. Okay, what is the IP address of first adapter? Okay, this is the IP address of first adapter. 10 to 15 is the IP address of first adapter. What is the IP address of second adapter? This is the IP address of second adapter. Yes. Okay, so now. Okay, and again, this is the IP address of loop back adapter, and this will not work from outside. Okay, this will work only internal to server. Actually, this will not work outside. Okay, but ENP0S3 and S8 will work. Okay, you can use these two. Okay, from outside actually. So from outside, okay, if you use this IP, if you connect to this IP addresses, it will work. Okay, ENP0S3 is fine. ENP0S8 is also fine. Okay, so this is the separate IP address. This is the separate IP address which you got. Are you clear till now? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are clear till now. Okay, so next I will go to. Okay, so what I will do. Okay, so guys, okay, see now I am seeing Control C here and I am pasting Control V. Is it working here? It is not working here. Control C in Windows, Control V in Linux machine is not working here. Okay, so it is like this, guys. It is like this. Okay, so this is your Windows machine. So this is your Windows laptop. Okay, this is your Linux machine. Linux machine. Okay, so you can say Control. Can you say Control C? Let's see here. You can do Control V here. Okay, Control V here. This is possible. Okay, but can you say Control C here and Control V here?
No, sir.
So, Control C, Control V work only for this machine. And okay, in this one, Control C, Control V, you can do it. Okay, but okay, you cannot do Control C here and Control V here because these two are different machines. Even though it is working on top of your Windows, okay, but this is a separate machine. Okay, but okay, now how can I connect? Okay, so how can I connect a Windows machine? Okay, or how can I connect to Linux machine through Windows machine? You got my point? Okay.
Through Windows CP.
We need, okay, so if you want to connect, okay, these two, okay, we need one interface between these two, okay. So it means, okay, whatever, okay, if you have any commands, okay, I will give the command to this one from Windows machine, okay. So this one should take my command, okay, hand it over to Linux machine, okay. And okay, my Linux machine will execute my command, okay, and send the result back to this one, okay, and this one will send the result back to here. Understood? So if I have such kind of interface between okay, your Windows and Linux, okay, so doing copy paste will be very easy. Yes or no? Okay. So what is this interface here? Okay, this interface is nothing but PuTTY. Okay. So PuTTY is the interface between your Windows machine and your Linux machine. Okay. So now if you remember, okay, so we installed PuTTY. Yes or no? We installed PuTTY. And guys, okay, so one more point which I forgot, okay, so let me put it here. This is also one problem actually. Okay. So select any drive, okay, on your laptop which has more free space. Okay, fine. Installation first, okay, so create a folder. Okay. So prerequisites. Okay, so then okay, download and VirtualBox software. Okay. Before you start practicals, don't disturb much. So what is this one, guys? Tell me. What is this first line? See, this is the old version of okay MS Office like 2003, 2007, 2010. Okay, you know what will happen? Okay, I have created this Word document in 2016, MS Office 2016. Okay, so any MS document, MS Office document, any document, Word document which is created in 2016, if you open that in 2003 or 2007 or 2010, it will open. Okay, I will not say it will not open. It will open, but okay, you know what will happen? Okay, it will merge all the spaces like this. You will see like that. In many places, okay, you will see all the spaces are removed here. Okay. You will not see like this actually. If you open the same document in Windows 2003, you will see like okay, like this one. Understand? You don't know where is the space and all, especially when you are executing commands. Okay, you will not understand where is the space and where is not this, where we don't have space. Understood? So that's the reason. Okay, please install. Okay, 2013 or 2016 or later versions. Okay, but definitely not 2003, 2007, 2010. This is the prerequisites. Understand? Understand, guys? Okay. So, and not only this document, all all installation documents work well in MS Office. It is not related virtuals only. If you see MS, if you use MS Office, then okay, please update your MS Office to not later. Okay, so this is the mandatory thing. Okay. Okay, so fine. Now come back to this part.
But sir, copying from Windows to Linux, still it won't be possible from PuTTY. I mean, if via FTP it will be possible, but for that WinSCP is there, right, sir?
No. Copying means copying the command and pasting the command here.
Okay, got it.
Copy paste means copy command here and paste the command here.
Yeah, got it, sir. I thought of file.
No, it's not file. Okay, so here, okay, so this is the machine here. Or where is the Excel? Okay, okay. So Control C. Command. This is for commands. Understand? This is for commands based, not for files. Okay, so in between, okay, we have something called PuTTY. Okay, so where you copy the command in PuTTY from Windows, and okay, PuTTY will push the command, hand over the command to Linux machine. Linux machine will execute the command and send the result back to PuTTY, and from PuTTY you can see the output actually. Okay, so now, did we download PuTTY? Yes, right. Okay, we downloaded PuTTY. If you remember, okay, yesterday, okay, we have Hadoop Administrator stuff 1. Inside this one, okay, we downloaded PuTTY. Yes or no? Okay, open this PuTTY. Okay, now it is asking, okay, how PuTTY will understand, okay, when somebody PuTTY is a exe file here, exe file on Windows, okay, how PuTTY will understand, okay, if somebody type a command, okay, to which Linux server I need to hand over. See here, I told that, okay, Linux server, okay, so to which Linux machine I need to hand over, how it will understand? Tell me, okay, so that is the reason, okay, while starting itself it will ask you, okay, tell me which Linux server I need to connect. Okay. So to which Linux server? You can use this IP address or this IP address. Don't use inet IP address. Better you use the ENP0S8 IP address. What is the IP address you have here? 192. So here, host name or IP address, you will type 192.168.56.11110. Okay. So click on open. Okay.
Sir, what is the use of first IP address and what is the use of second IP address?
Okay, so first IP address is internal user. Okay, understand? So this will not work. Okay, suppose, okay, now if I try to log into PuTTY using first IP address, will it work? We will see. Okay, 127.0.0.1. Is it working?
No, sir.
No. Okay, it means, okay, this is not exposed to outside actually. Okay, so every machine will have one internal network IP. Okay, loop that is called as loopback IP. Okay, so this cannot be exposed to outside world. Okay, so here, okay, so now if you see this example, now this Linux machine is having 3 IP addresses, 127.0.0.1. This is the first IP address. So now, this is the first IP address, okay? What is the second IP address? 10.0.2.15. This is the second IP address. What is the third IP address? 168.56.10. Okay, these are the IP addresses of what we have here. These are the IP addresses what we have here. Okay. So now, if I want to connect to this Linux machine, I should use any one of the IP address. Okay. So, but if you see the first IP address, okay, can be exposed to outside. Okay. You cannot use this 127.0.1 outside. Okay. It means, okay, if I want to connect from this machine, Windows laptop to this machine, okay, I cannot connect. I cannot use this one. Okay. And okay, can I use okay 10 dot this one? What is this type of here? Okay, 10 dot. Okay. 2.2.15. Is it working? This is also not working.
It is also, it
not
will find out.
Yeah, timed out. Okay, so it will not work, sir, because it's a NAT connection, so it will not work. Okay, so second also not working. But if you see the
What does it mean by NAT connection?
okay, sir, again, okay, sir, again, networking is another version, sir. Don't go too much. Okay, don't go too much about that. Okay, so again, anyway, real time you will not set network and all. Okay,
It is
Just-
private IP, right, sir? Private
kind of,
IP.
sir. This is kind of private IP.
Yes, 10.3 is private
Yes.
IP, whereas 192 is public IP. So
Public IP which can be used outside also. Okay. So now, okay, so only IP which is working for me is this is kind of again, okay, this is private IP from NAT. Okay. So this is the okay, this is also the IP from host-only adapter. And can be exposed to outside. Okay. The click on motion adapter and can be exposed outside. Okay. So now, okay, exposed outside. Only this is the one I can use now putty. Okay. So now I will open putty. So 192.168.56 dot. Okay. 110. Okay. Now click on yes. Now it is asking login as. Okay. What is the? Okay, we know only which user can we have to log into this. Do we have any other users?
No, sir, only root.
Only we have root user actually. Root user and password welcome one. Okay. Now the root password. Okay. Welcome one. Okay. Now you see. Are you seeing the same screen here? Are you also seeing the same screen? That means it is logged in. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
So it means okay. Now you have. Okay. This is okay. This is here. Enter this one now. Where is this putty here? I will make this as I'll take this full as a okay, full as okay, Windows laptop, sir. Okay, so this is my Windows laptop. Inside this one, okay, I have putty. Okay, I have putty, and this is my Linux laptop. Okay, from Windows laptop using putty, I connect it to my Linux machine. Even in real time also, guys. Okay, so tomorrow if you join if you get a job in Hadoop and if you join a company, so they'll give you Windows laptop only to work. Okay, and they will give you putty. If they don't give putty, you need to download and okay, put putty.exe in your laptop. Okay, so your servers and Linux servers and all will be available in somewhere in US or okay, UK or okay, somewhere. Okay, so you are sitting here and you are connected to your Linux machine. So you should be knowing the IP address of this Linux machine. Okay, so they will give you initially. Okay, so when you join newly, okay, so during the knowledge transfer part, okay, so they will give during the training time, they'll give you the IP address of Linux machines okay, which you use regularly, which you connect regularly. Okay, so from Windows laptop, okay, you should connect to. Okay, so you should connect to. Understand? Understand? Or any questions, please?
Sir, is it mandatory that network adapters should be up and running?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Otherwise, how can you connect to this one?
But can we still say the IP address if the network adapter is?
Sir, if network adapter is up and running, then only IP address will be shown. If network adapter is not running, okay, you will not get IP address, right? Huh?
Okay, yeah.
Got it?
Yeah, got it.
So you are seeing IP address because okay, suppose okay now okay, I will do one thing. So IPADDR show. Okay. See, whatever command I type here, what put is doing now? I am typing the command in putty or okay, in the Linux machine.
Putty.
In putty I am typing. If I type any command in putty, okay, so putty will take my command and give it to the Linux machine. Linux machine will execute this command and send the result back to putty, and putty will print it on the screen. Okay, now I can easily select also. Okay, so this is Windows, right? Windows 1. Okay, I can easily select here. Okay, So now, okay, I will do one thing. So, sir, okay, now if I see NMCLI, okay, now it is saying it is connected, right? NP0S8. It is connected, okay. Now, AF down, okay, NP0S8. Okay. Now I am stopping NP0S8. If I stop NP0S8, this will be stopped, right? Okay. Okay, suppose you see this one. Shit. Sorry. What I will do?
If we are putting down, then this session also will disconnect, yes?
Of course, yes, right. That's right, okay. Okay. So now IP DDR. Okay, so this is the one. Okay. Now NM PLID. This is the status. NP0 is fine. S8 also connected. Okay. Now what I will do, I'll down, okay, IP down NP0 S3. F down, not IP down. Okay. So now you see the earlier, okay, when I run IP address show, IP DDR show. Okay. So you can see IP address for second one. Sir, now. But now, are you seeing IP address for second one? Huh?
No.
And you can see NMCLID. Okay. Second one is disconnected. Yes or no? NP0S3 is disconnected or not?
Yes, sir. It is.
So if NP0S3 is disconnected, okay, you will not get the IP address. Okay. Now, okay, you say if up. Okay. Now you see, okay, NP0S3. Okay. Now IP address show. Okay, now we can see for second adapter also you can see IP address. Yes or no? So like
Yes,
that, okay. Like that, okay. Until okay, if your adapter is not up, then okay, you cannot get the IP address. Okay. So fine now, yes. And now what I will do, I will minimize this one. Okay. So anyway, I am controlling this machine through putty, right? I can minimize this one. Okay. Now I'll go here. Okay. Open and putty and type this one. Okay. Login as, okay. Now you log in. Okay. So this will connect. What is putty here? Okay. So I might have open putty from Windows machine and plus IP address. It is showing, okay, 104 in adapter in the above picture. It may vary as per your network visibility. Okay. In host name or IP address box. Okay. Okay. In the host name, click on open. Okay. Now enter root for login as field and your password in the next field. Okay. So I have given welcome one. So if you do different one, okay. Okay. If you do different one, okay, you enter the different one. In the next field, log into VM successfully. Yes, you logged into VM successfully. Okay. So this will connect your slave. Okay. This virtual machine. Okay. So here now it means, okay, you connected. Okay, you are seeing this screen means you are connected to virtual machine, Linux machine here. From now onwards, whatever the commands you enter or type in putty, that will be executed on Linux machine and results will be sent back to putty. Here, putty acts like an interface between your Windows machine and Linux machine. Interface between Windows machine and Linux machine. Okay, so now, okay, as a first thing, what I need to do, change the adapter set property, network adapter properties for NP0S3 and NP0S8. Okay, so what are these network adapter properties? What are these network adapter properties? Okay, so the first thing, okay, sir, okay, in case of Windows, suppose, okay, your Wi-Fi is not working, okay, not Wi-Fi, sir, okay, Wi-Fi is not working, Wi-Fi can't do anything. So here, what you will do, you will right click on this one and okay, click on network and internet settings, and okay, here, okay, maybe these are the different internet settings. Okay, so here, okay, you can go with the adapters. Okay, not here. Okay, so here Ethernet, okay, or anything actually, anything Ethernet adapter, okay, anything, okay. So you can make the changes here. Actually, you have complete UI. You can make any changes to your network, okay, from here itself. Okay, you can make any changes to your network from here itself. Okay. But okay, in case of Linux machine, if I want to change some network settings, what I need to do? I need to understand, okay, where is that network property file, and I need to change it. Okay. Now I want to make changes to ENP0S3. Okay, what changes I want to make? Okay, I want to add one property. Okay, NM control equal to yes. This is the property I want to add. Okay, so to this ENP0S3 adapter configuration file. Okay, so now where you can see this adapter's configuration file. Okay, so this adapter configuration file. Okay, see, as I told you, in case of Windows, okay, you will right click on it and you will click on network and internet settings. But okay, here it is not the case. Okay, if you want to see this adapter settings, okay, so this is the file. Okay, so this is the file etc system config network script ifconfig. Okay, so this is the place, okay, where okay, you have the what to say, where you have your adapter settings actually. Okay. Now, okay, cat. Just say cat. What is this cat command? In case of Windows, okay, if you want to see the content of the file, what you will do? Content of the file, not properties of the file. In Windows, you will double click on the file. If you double click on the file, it will open. See, let's say this is Windows server. You want to see the content of the file, I will double click. Double click, it will show me like, hello, how are you? Welcome to our first class. Okay, this is the content of the file. Okay, I'm seeing. Okay, so in the same way, in Linux, if you want to see the content of the file, you need to type a command which is called cat, and give the file name. Okay, so what is this path, guys? What is this path? This is the full path of your file. Okay, in Linux, okay, whatever file you want to use, okay, you should give full path. Okay, so and guys, okay, I will explain what are each and every directories in maybe in tomorrow's class. Tomorrow I will take complete Linux class. Okay, tomorrow I will take complete Linux class so that okay, it will be easy for you. Okay, so now cat. What is this one? When I say cat, okay, these are the different properties, okay, which we have, guys. These are the different properties which we have. Okay, but here, okay, I need to add one more property which is called as NM control equal to yes. Okay, so what I can do, okay, I have one way, guys, one way to do this one. One way is that I open this file, okay, but here can I double click on a Linux file? It is complete, okay, command line, right? So instead of double clicking, okay, what I will do, I will use a command. Okay, VA, I will give the full bar %. Okay, okay, now this is the editor. VA means okay, view here. So here. Okay, now by default, this is not in a read-only mode. Okay, by default, this is okay. Sorry, it is not in an editable mode. Okay, if you want to edit anything here, you need to press insert. When you press insert, okay, now you have something called insert here. You have something called insert here. When you see insert, then only you can type anything. Okay, so you can type anything here. Okay, okay. While typing, if you miss, okay, if you add some extra space or if you make any changes, any extra space here, okay, then that will spoil your entire network file. Okay, so if your entire network file is spoiled, okay, again your adapter will not work. Okay. If the property file is damaged, your adapter will not work. If your adapter is not working, then you cannot connect to that machine. Adapter is not working, IP address will not work. If IP address is not there, you cannot connect to that machine. Okay, that is the reason. While modifying this kind of okay, important files, okay, instead of opening and okay, making the changes, you use some other commands. Okay, so here what is the command I mean? There is a command echo. When I say echo, it will print. Okay, the word itself echo. Whatever you give, it will print. Okay, what it is echoing? I say echo. Okay, NM control equal to yes. Okay, whatever I put inside the single quotes, it will give me this output. Okay, so echo this one. Okay, and now. See here, there is a pipe symbol here. Okay, it's okay. This output, okay, pass this output to pipe means okay. So pass this output to output as an input to next command. What is the next command? This is the one. Okay. T. What is this T command, guys? See, we are listening to multiple commands here. Okay, so first command we have seen is cat command. So cat command. Okay, so the content of your file on the screen. This is the command is doing. Okay, it is printing the content of a file on the screen. Okay, then echo. Okay. So echo command. What? This is the second command we have seen. Echo. Okay, so print the content. Content. Okay, you paste in the command. Okay. So here, okay, echo. I'm saying okay, nm control equal to yes. It will print that only. Okay, it will print the content. You passed in the command. Okay, but okay, here it means print the content of the file. Okay, now it is a command. Okay. So after okay, data into a file without opening it. Even without opening it. Okay. Okay, now guys, before the execution of this one. Okay. See this one. Okay. Now if I say cat command, this is the one, okay, the last line. Now I'm saying that okay, echo command, okay. So echo command, okay, echo, send this line, and okay, so here I'm using the pipe symbol. Pipe symbol means whatever the output of this file, okay, you append to this file, okay. Let's enter. Now you see the cat. Now you see there is one extra line, right? Okay, so what is the last line in the previous before executing this command? On boot equal to yes. But what is the last line here? Huh? So whatever the output of the this command is appended in this file or not? Okay,
What
so
T did here?
T is a command to append
Okay, got it.
data to a file. T will
What is
append.
-a?
Means append. Okay. If I don't use -a, then okay, it will remove all this content and it will put only this one. Understood?
Okay.
So if I don't give -a means okay, append to existing content. It means okay, let it be there, existing content be there, and add this new content at the end of the file. But okay, if you don't use a, then what will happen? So it will remove existing content and it will keep only this line. Understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if it's cat, okay, so the new line is added here. Okay. And in the same way, we need to make some changes. Okay. Cat, okay, ENP0 S8. This is the S8 adapter, ENP0 S8 adapter. It means okay, this is the second adapter. Okay. So these are the settings what we have. Okay. But now what I'm doing here, okay. Here guys, okay, here also I'm using, but I'm using -a.
No, sir.
No, if I don't use -a, what will happen? Okay. See, if I use echo command, okay, I'm using echo command here. Press enter. Okay. When I use echo command, okay, it is printing these lines. Okay. Now if I say, so this is full line, guys. You see, command. Now I didn't use -a. That is the reason it removed the previous content. This is the previous content. Okay. So it removed the previous content, okay, and okay, it appended the new content here, okay. But in this new content, okay, I have given something like this actually, okay. Sir, okay, one question here, okay. So here you can see this IP address 192.168.110, okay. Is it okay? This is the IP address given to this Linux machine. Okay, but do you think okay, if I start my Linux machine tomorrow, will I get the same IP address? Okay, do you know how IP addresses will be allocated? Huh? How IP addresses will be allocated? Do you know that, guys? Suppose okay, you take okay, your Wi-Fi router, sir. Okay, you all might be having a Wi-Fi router in your home. Okay, you all might be having a Wi-Fi router in your home. So now, normally any Wi-Fi router range will be like 192.168, not 168. 168. Okay, 0.1 Okay, 0.1, okay, 1.1. So some Wi-Fi's will start with 0, some Wi-Fi's will start with 1. Okay, if it is different Wi-Fi's, okay, they may start with 10, IP address 10 also. Okay, so let's say this is my Wi-Fi router. Okay, so okay, you take this one, my settings only. Okay, I have config. Okay, what is the IP address I got it here, guys? What is the IP address I got it? Okay, this is the IP address I got it. This is the IP address I got it. Yes or no? Okay, so it means, okay, so here if you see my Wi-Fi adapter, okay, so I have given settings from, okay, you allocate, okay, whoever connects to this adapter, you do IP addresses starting from here and ending it here. It means, okay, whoever connects to this router, okay, it will give IP addresses like this, 101, 102, 103, like this, and it will give till 200, max 100 connections. Understood? Okay, so now, this is the IP address here. Understood right till now? Okay, so as per your Wi-Fi router, okay, whoever comes to this Wi-Fi, okay, everybody will get one IP address. Okay. So this IP address range is 101 to 200. Okay, 1.101, 1.102, okay, like this. Okay. So let's say today, okay, let's say this is okay, March 3rd. Okay, you woke up first. Okay, so okay, nobody is connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, let's say you woke up early morning and okay, you connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, so now okay, let's say Venkata mobile. I connected. Okay, so let's say today I connected. Yeah. So now, so if Venkata mobile connected to this one, okay, to router, so router will give a IP address. What IP address will give it to me? The first IP address, it will give it to me. Okay. After that, okay, so Venkata, personal laptop. I switched on my laptop for class purpose. So then, okay, so my laptop also will connect to Wi-Fi router, right? Okay, it will give me 102. Okay, then, okay, let's say my wife also wake up, okay, so wife's mobile. So now she connected, okay, so let's say he got, okay, 103, okay, so IP address, okay, for her mobile, okay, so the IP address is 1.103, okay, so maybe, okay, so we connected to TV, okay, switch on the TV, okay, for TV will get, okay, so 104, okay, maybe. Yes, okay. So sound system. Okay. So like this, okay. So every device which is connected to Wi-Fi router will get 11 IP. Okay. So this is today. Okay. Let's say okay, this is tomorrow, guys. Okay. Let's say this is on. Okay. I will take it on Sunday. Sunday means okay 3/6. Okay. Now it is on Sunday. Okay, so okay, maybe before today we slept off. Okay, but okay, Sunday morning. Okay, I did not wake up early because that's the only one day where I will not have classes. Okay, I can sleep till 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Okay, so let's say on Sunday I did not wake up. I didn't wake up. Okay, early. Okay, so let's say my wife woke up early. Okay, so she connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, then Wi-Fi router will give. Okay. 101 IP address to wife's mobile. Okay. Then she switched on TV. Okay, so okay, so second, okay, TV will get 102. She switched on a sound system. Okay, so sound system will get 103. Maybe later, okay, I woke up. Okay, woke up and I switched on my mobile. I connected to Wi-Fi. So we got okay, this one. What was it? 104. Okay. Then okay, I open personal laptop. Okay, so personal laptop. Okay. It means okay, whatever the IP address I got today, okay, it is not the same IP address I got on Sunday also. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Okay, it means okay, whoever comes to Wi-Fi first, okay, the IP will be given to that. Okay, so this is how each router will allocate the IP addresses here. Each router will allocate the IP addresses here. Okay. Now the question, okay, So here I'm sure that okay, whatever IP addresses you are getting today, you are not getting tomorrow. Okay, you're not getting tomorrow. Okay, so if this is the case, okay, so this is called as a dynamic IP. What is dynamic IP?
Will keep changing.
It's changing every day.
Keep changing. Okay, whenever you restart the system. Understand? Dynamic IP means okay. If you restart your system, okay, you may get same IP or you may not get same IP. Got it? That is dynamic IP. Okay. But what is static IP?
It will not change.
Okay. So never change. Never change. Even if you restart the system. Understand? Okay. So when it's a static IP is a concept like okay. So this IP address, okay. So even if I woke up at morning 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, okay. So if I set like static IP, okay. So 101 should be given to Venkata mobile. Okay. So until I switch on my mobile, okay, 101 will be reserved only for me. Okay. 101 will not be given to anybody else. Understand? Understand? Or any questions? Okay, it is like a fixed IP for me. Okay, even if I connect to my Wi-Fi, I'm not okay. So the 101 will not be used for any other device in my home. Okay, so that is like okay. So 101 is a reserved one for me. Okay, understand? So now, okay, you take Hadoop cluster, guys. You take Hadoop cluster. Okay, we are saying that okay. So here, okay, server 1, okay, and okay, we have server 2, we have server 3, we have server 4. Okay, so in this server, okay, I'm making like okay, so every server will have IP address, right? Okay, so this server IP address is that okay, 192.168 dot okay, like 1.101. I'm just giving an example. Okay, 56.101. Okay. For this also will have IP address 102. Okay. This also will have 103. Okay. So let's say you started okay. So today 104. Okay. Today you started these machines, 4 servers. This is the concept of today. This is today's concept. Okay. So this is on okay. Today. Okay. When you can hit on all the servers. So this is the IP address you got. This is the IP address you got. Okay. So now, okay, how? Okay, so in this machine, okay, I will start name node service. Okay, in this machine, I will start data node service, data node service, data node service. Okay, data node service. Okay. Now the question here is that. Okay, how if okay, now I told that okay, data node service will send heartbeat to name node service. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Data node, okay, will set the heartbeat to name node. Okay. So now, how data node will understand, okay, what is my name node? Huh?
Based on IP.
So, okay, so here okay, you have a configuration file. Inside this configuration file, your name node IP, okay, IP equal to, okay, we are giving like okay, 192 dot 168 dot 56.101. Okay. So this is the configuration file which we are giving each and every machine. Understood? So every machine is having this configuration file. Understand, guys? Every machine is having this configuration file. Okay. So based on this configuration file, okay. So okay, this data node is understanding. Okay, my name node is 101. So it will start sending the heartbeat to name node. Correct one only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But what in case okay, tomorrow, let's say, okay, so my name correct heartbeat is going properly. Okay. But tomorrow, okay, let's say restarted all my servers. Okay, this is next. That your servers, okay. IP address may change, right? Huh? Yes or no? So let's say this server has got IP address of 104. This server has got IP address of 103. Okay. This has got 105. This has got 106. Okay. Now, if I start data node here, okay, let's say, so this is okay. So this has got 101. This has got 101. Okay. Now, if I start a data node here, as per the configuration file, who is my name node? Whoever is having 101 IP address, that is my name node. Who has my 101 IP address?
Server 4.
Who has 101 IP address?
Server 4.
Server 4, okay? It means, okay, this data node will think, okay, this is the place where this is my name node. Yes or no? So all these data nodes will think, okay, this is my data node. Okay, is it a correct one?
No, sir.
So it means, okay, because of your IP change, what is happening? Okay, so data nodes are, okay, connected to different nodes, which is not a name node. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Okay. So, any questions, guys? So that is the reason, okay, in when you are setting up Hadoop cluster, you will not go with the dynamic IP address case. You will go with the static IP address. Understand? Okay. So you will fix the IP address. You will fix the IP address. Okay. So for every machine, okay, you will fix the IP address like this. Understood? You will go with static IP, not dynamic IP. Okay. So now, okay, if you set the static IP, okay, even if you restart 100 times, you will get the same IP, right? Even if you restart your machine 100 times, you will get the same IP or different IP?
Same.
IP. Okay, so in that case, there is no problem, right? Even if I shut down my cluster and restart my cluster tomorrow, okay, I will have same name node. I will have same data nodes. No change in the data node. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you understood, okay, why static IP is required. Why not dynamic IP? So if it is dynamic IP, okay, there are chances that, okay, your name node, okay, may not be constant. Okay, so now how to set it here? Okay. Now if you see here, if you see this one, the properties of this first adapter is, if you see the properties of first adapter, okay. Now what are the properties here? Here okay, I am saying that, okay, boot protocol equal to DHCP. What is this DHCP? Dynamic, okay, IP address allocation. Okay, but okay, when you see your state configuration, okay, what I said here, what is the protocol I am using here? So for 0S3, okay, let it be dynamic protocol. I don't have any issues. Okay, but 0S8, I am making like a static. Okay, so what is the use of static? So when I make it static, now you are giving IP address. It means, okay, so this is the permanent IP address for this machine. Understood? If you want to change the IP address of this machine, you need to change in the configuration file. Okay, then only the IP address will change. Otherwise, okay, this is going to be the permanent IP address for this machine. Got it? Got it, guys? Okay. So now, okay.
See, but what if? See, I will also give same only yes. So both means I will also give my machine same IP address by echoing same statement. Then how will it recognize my system with you? Like how will it differentiate? Then
okay, sir, okay. Here, okay, if you see here, okay, Wi-Fi router. Your Wi-Fi router is different. My Wi-Fi router is different. Correct?
Yes, different.
Okay. So your Wi-Fi router will give this IP address. So my Wi-Fi router also will give the same IP address. Okay. You know when conflict will come, when we are exposing our service to internet. Okay. So from internet I am connected to this IP. No, right?
But through Putty we are connecting, yes. Like
that is in our nation only, right? In our nation only, right?
Correct. Yes, in our machine only. Correct.
You're not exposing outside.
Okay. Yeah, got it. Yes.
There is no confusion. Okay, but inside your laptop itself, you have two machines with the same IP address, then problem, then conflict.
Got it. Yeah.
Okay, so now I made it like a static IP address now. Okay.
In real time, how will it work, Venkat? Like, see, if when people are giving IP address, so how they will ensure that this is unique?
Because so all the IP addresses will be managed by network teams, sir.
Okay.
They will have a list of IP addresses reserved for big data projects.
Okay, got it.
They will not give same IP in different machine. Okay, so they will maintain Excel sheet like this is the IP address we have given to this server, name of the server and MAC address of the server. They will have a list. Actually, they will maintain a separate list. Got it?
Got it, sir. Got it.
Yeah. Okay. So time now. Okay. So now I changed the properties file. If I change the property file, will it reflect? Now if I say IP addr show, sorry, Control C, if you type any wrong command, press Control C to cancel the command. Okay. So now it is still showing. So what is the IP address I have given here? 56.200, but it is still showing 110 only. Correct or not? Why it is still showing 110? Because after making the configuration changes, I have not restarted the service. How to restart the service here? If you want to restart the service, so here systemctl, so now after doing this one, so now you close your putty. Now close your putty. So now because you were using earlier you were using this IP address, right? What 110 IP address, but now that is not no more. Close your putty and now try to relog with the new IP address of 200. It means So now what I have done to this machine, to this Linux machine. So this is again this is the dynamic IP. This is the dynamic IP. Now I changed this to what?
Static IP.
Static.
Static. This is the big IP. Earlier it was this one, dynamic IP. Now I changed it to 56.200. So going forward, if I want to access this Linux machine, this is the permanent IP address which I can access this Linux machine. Understand? Now open putty and now you type 192.168.56.200. Now you think. Then as root become 1. Now addr show. Now you see, is it showing 200 or not?
Yes.
So in Linux, if you make any config changes, you need to restart the service case, and you need to understand what is the command to restart a particular service. What is the command I used to restart the adapters? So this is the command I used. Systemctl, system controller, restart network adapters. That's what the meaning. So you need to remember these commands, guys, Linux commands, because these are very, very important Linux commands, which you will be using in real time. And especially if you are not from Linux background, so understanding each and every command and practicing, is very, very important. Understood? Or any question? Understood? Or any questions, guys? So if done, so fine. So now I connected to 200. So going forward, you should use only static IP to connect to 50. No more dynamic IP. No more dynamic IPs. Now check the new IP address. IP addr show. Now if you see IP addr show, now it is showing 200 here. This is what you have seen, right? 200 here.
Sir, in case of IP address show, not shows the in case of by writing the IP address show. That it not shows the is it static or dynamic?
It will not show it as static or dynamic, sir. If you want to see whether it is static or dynamic, if you want, you should see the properties of the file. Adapter, network adapter file. So now check whether you're okay. So now everything is fine. Okay. Now next step is check whether you're able to access the internet or not. In case of your laptop, how will you check whether you're able to access the internet or not, sir? In case of Windows, okay, you have a laptop, Windows laptop. Okay, how will you check whether internet is working or not? Mostly you will open Chrome, yes or no, or Internet Explorer, and you will type google.com, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If it is opening, then you will say internet is working. Otherwise, okay, internet is not working. Yes or no? But in case of Linux, okay, do you have any Google Chrome, Internet Explorer and all? No. Okay. So how to check whether internet is working or not? Okay. So here you run this command. Okay. When you run this command, if you see any reply like this actually, okay. So here 64 bytes. Okay. So it means okay, when I say ping google.com, immediately what my Linux machine has done, it connected to okay, Google IP address. This is the Google IP address. Okay, google.com IP address, and okay, it is giving the reply. Okay, you are saying something like this means okay, your internet is working here. Okay, say internet is working in the Windows laptop. Okay, but again the Linux machine also. Okay, so if it is internet is not working, you need to execute some commands, guys. Okay, if internet is not working, so what you need to do? Okay, so it should have 4 received actually. Okay, if it is not pinging, see the network adapter status by using below commands. Okay, using below commands. Okay. If any disconnected is there, okay, you bring them up. Here guys, now okay, I'm doing Control C. Okay. In Word, I'm doing Control C. I'm coming to here. Okay, here okay, I can do Shift Insert here. Shift Insert. Okay. So here Control C and Shift Insert. Okay. Otherwise, okay, Control C and okay, mouse right button. Click mouse right button. Okay, then also it will paste it here. Either Shift Insert or mouse right button. Okay, to your commands here. Okay. If you are still having issues, okay, so here still having issues, so you can use the NMTUI. Okay, fine. Okay. Now to check IP address, normally in Windows, okay, if you want to check IP address, okay, you will use ipconfig. Yes or no? In Windows, okay, we use ipconfig, but okay, in case of Linux, okay, we have a command which is called as ifconfig. Okay. What is this ifconfig? When you type okay, ifconfig, what it is for? What it is saying? Linux, okay, we have normally this is the command. This is the command to show the adapter details. Okay, but there is another command also which will show the same information, which is called as ipconfig. Okay, but do you have when I type this ipconfig command, what it is saying? It is saying command not found.
Sir, ifconfig, I think it's Windows.
ifconfig. When I type ifconfig,
we'll use that in the command prompt. No, sir.
Okay, so it is saying command not found. What does it mean? So it means okay. Normally, okay, if you see old version of Linux, ifconfig is a default command actually. Okay, but in the latest version 7 and 8 and all, they are not giving ifconfig as a default command. Okay. So now, if command is not working, what we need to do? We need to install a software to install this command actually. Okay. So without installing Java, okay, will Java commands run? Suppose okay, I didn't install Java, but okay, but okay, I'm running a command Java C, and okay, I'm passing the class name. Will it work?
No, sir.
The Java commands will work only after installing a Java software. So ifconfig also a command. It will work if you install a software. If you install a software. Okay. So now, what is the software to install? Okay, ifconfig command. Okay. So here, this is the software. In same way, ifconfig will not come as default command. You need to install RPM for that. Okay. So now, first thing, as a best thing, okay, so just to say restart network, okay. Now I'm saying that again. This is the one. This is the command where I'm installing. I'm installing that ifconfig command. Okay, yum install nettool. If I install nettool software, it will install. What to say? If I install a nettool software, it will install that command. See, now you run a ifconfig. Is it working or not? Or is it saying that okay, now also not found? No, right? So what does it mean now? Okay, so it means ifconfig command is installed successfully. Okay, or when I install nettools here, nettools command, okay, it got installed proper. It got installed. Okay. Now the question is that okay, what is this? How do you install a software in your Linux machine? In case of Windows, what you will do? You will open Chrome and okay, you will type okay. You want to install a Java software, you will type in Java download, okay, and you will get so many links, okay, in Chrome. And if you can have the link and download your Java software, that will download exe file, and you will double click on it and click on next. That will install Java in your machine. This is what you do in normal, in Windows actually, okay. But in case of Linux, can I do like that? Can I open Chrome? I cannot open Chrome because okay, Linux machine is completely command line machine. Okay, I cannot open Chrome. Okay, but how will I install a software? Okay, so here Linux is giving a utility here. Okay, yum, yum. Okay, it means yellow dog, updater or modifier. Okay, so here yum is a command. Okay, after yum, okay, you can tell what you need to do. Yum install. It means okay, it will install a software. Yum remove. Okay, it will uninstall a software. Understand? Yum update. It will update a software to next level, next version. Okay, so like that using yum, okay, so you can run multiple commands. Okay, now what I did, yum install nettools. Okay. So fine, I know that okay, this is the, if I install this nettool software, that will install ifconfig command. But okay, now I told yum install nettools. Okay, now the question is that okay, when I run this command, immediately what your Linux machine has done, okay, it checked the softwares okay in the internet, okay, and finally it found okay, this is the software which needs to be installed. Okay, see, this is the software and version is this one and will be installed here. Okay. And it downloaded this one and okay, it downloaded automatically and it installed in my machine and finally it says that okay, yes, installed successfully, and it has given me a message saying that okay, your install operation is completed. Okay, so fine, yes, okay, this command has installed this software, but now the question is that okay, how this command understood that okay, where is this software in the internet and okay, how to download. How this command understood that okay, how this command understood okay, where is this software in the internet? Where is the internet? First of all, it downloaded this software from internet or not? Or okay, if I say now, if I say yum install okay, Venkata, is it working? What did it say? We don't have any softwares or packages with Venkata name. Correct or not? Correct or not, guys? We don't have any packages with Venkata name. Okay? But when I say nettools, what it is saying? It is saying that okay, you are already installed with the latest version of this software. Understood? Okay? So now the question is that okay, from where it is understanding, where this Linux machine is checking, okay, for this software and okay, downloading and installing.
Maybe it is going to some central repository and checking with.
Okay. So okay, when you install Linux machine, okay, so you will have some repo files, repository files. Okay. So they will be stored in etcm.repo.d. Okay. Here you can see here. So cd means okay, change directory, and okay, ll means okay, list the content of this file directory. Okay. Now can you see there are okay, a few files here. Okay, what are these files? the extension is with .repo, repository files. Okay. Now if you add this file, cat, okay. When you cat, okay, inside this one you have some internet websites. Can you see? Huh? You have some internet websites or not? Tell me guys.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You can't any repo file at SCR. Okay. So now you can see mirror.centros.org. Okay. So like this, okay. So there are many repo files here. Okay. So each repo file will contain some internet address. Okay. So now when you say yum install and a software name, now whatever Linux machine is doing, since your Linux machine is having internet connection, it is connecting to each and every website mentioned in this repo files. And okay, checking in this path whether whatever software Venkat is asking me to install is available there or not. If it is available, what it is doing? It is downloading and installing in your machine. Okay, so that is what happened. Okay, you said that okay, yum install NetTools. It means okay, it downloaded and installed because this software NetTools software is already available. But what in case if you say Venkata? Okay, it is checking this software with Venkata name. Okay, and okay, it did not find any software with Venkata name. That is the reason. Okay, it is saying okay, no package found with Venkata, so nothing to do.
Where is this etc host? Venkat?
etc m.repos.t. etc. Okay, and okay, again, okay, did I create this internet links or did I create these repo files? I didn't create these repo files. Okay, and these repo files are created automatically when you install your OS. Okay, understand guys? Understand? Are there any questions? Okay, so here this is how they will download. Okay, or this is how it will download. Okay.
Sir, if we want to install something out of this.
Suppose okay, if that internet link is not there, you create okay, one more repo file here. Okay, so you create okay, so here my own repo file. Your extension should be repo. Okay. So now if you see here, there is another file which is called my own repo. Now. Okay. Inside this one, okay, you put the internet link. Then okay, what it will do? It will search in your internet link also. Got it? It will search in your internet link also. Okay. So CentOS is giving okay. It means okay, Linux OS is giving some default repo files. Okay, and in that default repo files, okay, you will have default internet links actually. Okay, suppose okay, you have some, you know that there is a software which is available in an internet link. Okay, that link is not listed, not available in this repo files. You can create your own repo, and you can put that internet link. Understand? Understand guys? Okay. So now when you say yum install, okay, yum install NetTools, okay. So what it will do? Okay, it will even okay, check in this repo file also in this internet link which is available in your repo file. Understand?
So this is kind of local repository, and every time
you can get a public repository also on your own.
Okay, got it.
Understand? Okay, there is no rule like only local repository. Okay, you can create public repository also.
Got it.
Okay. So any other questions? Any other questions, guys?
Sir, then every time we have to download those files and keep it in one directory.
What files, sir? What files you will download?
That package.
Which package?
So that CentOS that new package if we want to download it.
Sir, okay, see, if you want to download any new software, okay, just okay. So let's say I want to download wget. Okay, so wget is a new software. Okay, so am I downloading and keeping in my laptop, or okay, so when I run this command, okay, it is connecting to internet website and downloading this one and installing for me. You got my point? See, now I want to install a software which is called as wget. Okay, when I run this command, what it is doing? So now it is checking in the internet website links given here. Okay, it checked each and every website link. Finally, it found it. It found wget.x86_64. Okay, and this is the version, latest version. So it downloaded this latest version. And okay, so here downloading the package. This is the package it downloaded, and it is installing, and it verified the installation whether it's successfully completed or not. Finally, it is giving me a message like, okay, this software is successfully installed. Okay, and the success message is complete.
Sir, but this file has already been kept in the local repository. That's why we can install it.
What is a local repository, sir? Okay, see here. Okay, now here we have CentOS. Okay, who will put all the softwares in this website? First of all, who is the owner of this website base? CentOS. Okay, so CentOS is the one who will put all the softwares in their website. Okay, if they put any software in the website, okay, then only it will work for us. Understand? Okay, if CentOS doesn't put any software in their website, and if I type yum install some software name, okay, then it will say, hey, I checked in CentOS website, they have not put that software in the CentOS website, so I cannot do anything, so nothing to do. Got it?
Hello.
Got it, or any questions? Okay, so end of the day, whoever is maintaining this website, okay, they should upload the softwares in their website. Then only when you run a command, it will download. Okay, your command will download the software from their website and install it here. Otherwise, no. Got it? Got it, or any questions?
So directly we cannot use any command so that we can connect to that websites and download it.
Okay, so there are, okay, yes sir, okay, using wget, yes, okay, you can download actually, yes, okay, but okay, instead of that one, okay, why you take tension actually? Okay, so when okay, your Linux machine is finding the best version and okay, installing it for you, okay, so why you want to give the full path of that software and okay, install it and okay, download it and install it? You got my point?
Yes, sir, correct.
Okay, so when you type okay NetTools, okay, it is only finding okay, or when you type wget, okay, it is only finding the best version for you, best and latest version for you. Okay, in that case, okay, so why we need to struggle that okay, where is this software? Okay, see, if I want to get this software, okay, I can get this software. Okay, so here, see now you take this RPM, okay, you check in the internet, okay, go to internet and okay, download, and you see. You're getting this or not? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
You're getting this software, okay, this RPM, okay? There is no problem, okay, but okay, why you want to download this one, okay? Download this one, okay, why you want to install it okay, separately? You tell, okay, CentOS, okay, let it find, okay, your Linux machine only, let it find the best version for it, okay, and download it and install it. Got my point? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is okay. You will be creating your okay. You will be installing some software space. Okay. So what we will do, we will stop it here. Okay, now time is 9:02. Okay, we'll stop it here and we'll continue tomorrow morning. Is it fine?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. And guys, okay, this Saturday. Okay, so this Saturday. Where is Saturday? So we have, I mean, we are supposed to have classes from Monday to Saturday, right? Monday to Saturday. Okay, but okay, this Saturday I have some personal work there. Okay, so I may not be available for the class on Saturday. So this is like a missing class. Maybe I will cover this missing class on some other day. Okay, maybe next Saturday evening we will cover this missing class. Or okay, next Sunday morning we will cover. Okay, but okay, so this Saturday at least 15 class for me. And anyway, 6th is Sunday, right? Okay, so okay, shall we push this Saturday class to Sunday? If you are all
No
okay,
problem.
fine. Huh?
No problem. Yeah.
Okay, shall we push it on Sunday?
Yes, sir, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we'll do one thing. Okay, so this time, okay,
Just do a invitation on the WhatsApp for Sunday. We might forget for the Sunday class.
yeah. Okay, so don't worry, sir. Okay, so this Sunday, okay, no, because okay, if I go here, okay, I don't know what time I will reach back on Sunday. So no class on Sunday morning. But okay, definitely next Sunday we will see. 13th we will see our class. Okay. Got it.
Okay, sir.
So okay, no, and okay, this Saturday, Sunday, no class. But missing class will be covered on 13th. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you, and see you all tomorrow. And start practicing, guys. Okay. Start downloading the installation files and okay, start practicing. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
ఇష్యూ ఇప్పుడు చూద్దామా రేపు చూద్దామా
Sir, రేపు చూద్దాం సార్. I'm getting some calls actually. Okay.
ఓకే హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే బై
Thank you. Bye.
चिठ्ठी जास्त तुला घेऊन जा म्हणलं तुम्ही जास्त